Today we're going to be making a cheese ball. We're going to start out with 8 ounces of cream cheese. Take it out of the package and let it come to room temperature because you'll be mixing it. You take 2 cans of crushed pineapple and heavy syrup. Don't get that stuff that's got any sweetness. And heavy syrup. You drain it in a strainer, and then you're going to have to put it in a towel and wring it out. It has to have no liquid in it. Then you take 1 bunch of green onions, chop it fine. You can either do it by hand or you can put it in a little food processor like I got, my little chopper. You're going to put big heaping tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for good luck. 5. Then you take a green bell pepper and you chop it up fine. But if you chop it up in the food processor, it makes it liquid. So you're going to have to get that water out of there. Strain it, drain it, whatever you do. It's this consistency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can mix it by hand, but I have found the golden ring. It's a cordless mixer. You just mix that sucker up. And it look like that. Then we're going to put a cup or so of pecans in there. I want to half it. You put them on a paper plate. Kind of round it out. I put mine in the freezer for about 5-7 minutes. So you can roll it in your pecans. If you do it now, it'll be a mess. There's one. There's the second one. It don't take long. But most of your time is spent chopping up all that stuff. Put this in the freezer, and you can see it's firmed up some. It gets a little messy, so just shape it into a ball. You're gonna roll it. Or just put the pecans on it. You serve it with Ritz crackers, is what I like to serve it with. And spin it around. I'm gonna have them nuts all over the place. We're gonna fix her up here. This is when you make it the shape you want. If you want it a little flatter or a little round, oval, I don't think there's no square, but usually I do it in round. And my sister-in-law Jean, if she didn't want to make a cheese ball with this, she would just mix it together and skip this part, and she just put it in a bowl and make dip. It's a lot easier. And you get you a big old bunch of parsley. You know, just get you a bunch like this. And cut you off, pick you off some. And we're gonna lay it around the cheese ball, real pretty. Then you take your finger and smash a little hole. Get this. Put your thing of parsley in the middle. Isn't that pretty? Just do it around, then we're gonna add some cherries on it there. All the way around it. Here and there. Well, we're finished with the product here. There's the cheese ball all prettied and decorated up. Now we're going to try it. Take your Ritz cracker. That's good. Can't go wrong with it. Here's the other one that I hadn't decorated yet. I'll put that, decorate that and put it in the refrigerator in a bowl. Thank y'all. Come back, I'll be cooking something else here soon. Until then. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.